The most common question I get from potential agency clients is, what do I record my YouTube videos on? My response? Your phone. Your phone is more than capable of recording your videos that you put on YouTube. Don't let the perceived lack of tech stop you from getting started. Sometimes I record on my phone, on my computer, or on my camera. They are all viable options when it comes to filming videos for your YouTube channel. But today, I'm going to focus on filming with your phone. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. One of the most important tips I'd say when you're recording with your phone is to actually look in the camera. And that could be very difficult because you want to actually look at yourself when you're recording. So try to avoid looking at yourself when you're recording like I'm doing now, simply because it looks really weird when people are watching your videos because you're not actually looking at them, you're looking at yourself. If you're having trouble locating the lens on your actual phone, put a little sticker next to it so that way your eyes can focus on that sticker when you're recording and keep you on track so you're actually not looking at the screen when you record. The next thing I want to talk about is framing. Make sure that your camera is stabilized on something like a tripod or maybe even a stack of books, so that way you can get in frame on the camera. So right now, as I'm filming this on my phone, you can see the stuff around me. If you look at my video footage from my computer, you can see that I have a lot more space above my head than I do on my phone. Same thing when you're filming on your camera, you want to make sure your framing is correct, meaning that you don't have a lot of weird stuff behind you, potentially like a lamp sticking out from the back of your head, a plant, something just looking really, really weird. In addition to that, you want to make sure you're kind of in the center of the camera, or at least on 1/3 of the frame. So you can be on the left side, the right side, or in the middle, just making sure you're looking at your background and making sure that odd things aren't behind you. Regardless of what type of camera that you're filming with, you want to make sure you have good lighting. When you're just getting started, you can use natural light from a window. As you can see, I actually have a window in front of my computer, so a lot of times when I was just getting started, I was just using that natural light from the window. But you can actually also use something called a ring light. That ring light's gonna help you get lighting when it's cloudy, or maybe you're in an area of your house to where you don't have a lot of light. A ring light can be purchased off of Amazon fairly inexpensively for about $40 or so. I'll drop the link below if you're interested in checking it out, but just remember that lighting is very important when you're recording your videos. As an example, I'm going to show you what this looks like with the lighting on and with the lighting off. Right now, I actually have my window open, but I actually do have a light on, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the light off so you'll be able to see what the difference is. Okay, so this is filming with the window open and the light off. The last thing I want to talk about is your audio. Depending on what type of phone you have, your audio quality may actually be okay. But a lot of times I found out when I was recording on my phone and I went back to edit my videos that the audio sounded really bad. So I went ahead and upgraded and I got a wireless mic. You can do the same thing. They actually are fairly inexpensive on Amazon, and once again, I'll drop the link below for you. But I just wanted to show you what this looks like. I don't have this hooked up to my phone right now because I'm actually recording on 3 different devices and I have 3 different microphones going on, and I didn't want any feedback. But I'm going to show you what this looks like here. So this is the wireless mic that I use, and it just clips on. You'd have to turn it on, obviously, which I'm not doing. And then this here actually goes into the port of your phone. So you can have a wireless mic like this one, or you can actually have a wired mic that directly plugs into your phone. But either way, you want to make sure that your lighting and your audio are on point when you're recording these videos, simply because people are more likely to click off your videos when the lighting and the audio is really bad. So keep that in mind. Okay, so that's my overview of how to actually film your videos on your phone and some equipment that you can use. Don't let tech stop you when you're trying to start your YouTube channel. Keep it simple, use your phone, and upgrade when you can. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.